Introducing the stunning, advanced Rexing V1P Pro Dash Camera. It's the first to market dual full HD innovative recording solution. Both front and rear cameras record in full 1080p HD with single channel recording of up to 4K resolution. Wide dynamic range allows for visual clarity in all types of light and conditions, and the 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lenses gives you the power to see everything that's happening around your vehicle. This is the real world. Accidents happen. You can't prevent damage from a hailstorm or a reckless driver sideswiping your parked car, but you can give yourself the security of knowing it will be caught on tape. The V1P Pro is equipped with a gravity sensor that automatically detects impacts and starts recording immediately. This emergency footage is then locked, so you can use it later as evidence. It's the latest innovation in peace of mind. And we didn't stop there. The Rexing V1P Pro Dash Camera also includes a built-in GPS system, allowing you to log time and date, location, and speed information for all your recordings without the use of another external GPS. The Rexing Connect app links your mobile device to the dash cam, so you can view, save, and share footage instantly at any time. Powered by a supercapacitor, the camera can withstand extreme heat and cold, which ensures more uptime and reliability in any climate. The Rexing V1P Pro Dash Camera, your roadside eyewitness.
Step 1. Plug the mini USB port of the charging cable into the USB port of the machine.
Step 2. Insert the TF card into the TF card slot. Step 3. Plug the USB cable of the charging cable into the USB of the car charger. Step 4. Plug the car charger into the car charger socket. Step 5. When the screen is on, check if the recording is normal. Step 6. Remove the GPS module of the back and the 3M adhesive protection sticker, and then attach the GPS module to the appropriate position. Step 7. Install the driving recorder and stick it firmly. Step 8. Adjust the lens angle to the appropriate position. Step 9. Hide the charging cable with the trim removal tool. Step 10. It is recommended to go to the professional repair shop for installing the connection line of the rear lens. The installation position is as shown. Step 11. Plug the line which connects to the rear lens into the AV port. The display will show the picture and video taken by the rear lens. Step 12. The installation is complete.